brilliant paper. This is actually the policy related document with a very structured approach since I read the paper. But unfortunately, as you know, and as you are closely watching, everybody is a policy maker nowadays. And the best policy discussion happen while having the tea in the evening.
Yeah.
Whether it's the sports strategy or the GDP strategy, everybody talks, what government should do and what should not.
Yeah.
Right? This is an unfortunate story. Now, since you were seeing the work very closely, it will be great if you can give some kind of brief outline that will be quite helpful for the audience side. Because when we say about the policy changes, what do we actually mean?
Yeah.
Because the challenge I will tell you, because I have personally discussed with a couple of people about the policy. Everybody says the policy need to be changed. The moment you go to the micro, what people are clueless, because देखा ही नहीं है, पढ़े ही नहीं है कहीं पे. Then people are clueless. Yeah.
No, it's good to have people generally involved in suggesting policies. There's nothing wrong in that. As Indians, for example, even in cricket matches, all of us suggest how the player should play. That's totally fine. It's a part of the process. What we mean by policy change, it can be anything. It can be something, let's say, talking about the kind of financial boost a particular sector needs, or the kind of, let's say, let's say the import rate which a particular item needs to have, or the clusters which need to be formed for a particular sector. So it can be anything across the entire spectrum, and that is basically a process which needs to be driven through, according to us, what we believe, through lot of analytics. So when you talk about policy change, so policy change is not something which should be done through intuition or through discussions over, as you mentioned, a cup of tea and snacks. It's good to have thoughts coming through these methods, but at the end of the day, it has to be driven scientifically. It's a scientific exercise. Policy making is a scientific exercise, and that's what we have been doing. And thankfully, with us, the governments that we advise have also been following such a scientific process.